Hey YouTube, long time no see. It's been a minute. I am back to do another video for you guys. So from my last video, as you can see, I have dyed my hair back black. And I did that because I am about to wax my locks blue. You guys can see that. So I ordered this from a company that I found on Instagram, and it's called Hair Paint Wax. And I was trying to decide between blue and purple, and I finally just chose blue because of my boy Nipsey. So rest in peace, Nipsey. But yeah, so I'm gonna go Nipsey blue today, and I'm excited about trying this wax because I didn't want it to be a permanent blue because of work and stuff. So I wanted something that I can wash out quick and easy and not have any issues. So I'm actually going on vacation tomorrow. I'm going to DR. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to wax my hair this blue color, and then I'm going to curl it before it dries. So if you haven't seen the video where I have curled my locks, I'm going to link it below. I'm also going to link where I got this hair paint wax from. I'm going to put that link up there as well. And yeah, that's about it. So I'm gonna start by sectioning my hair in 4, and I'm gonna wax one section and then roll the section immediately after. So I think that's the process I'm gonna use. So reading the instructions real quick because I need to know how to do this. I don't want to mess it up. So it says use a small to moderate amount of hair color wax and apply to damp hair. Apply to hair starting from the bottom up using your fingertips. Once you have applied, set the hair and allow it to dry. So I do plan on sitting under the hair dryer for a good amount of time to make sure that it is completely dry. So if you want to know the ingredients that is in it, is water, wax, beeswax, licorice, tea extract, stearic acid, castor oil, some stuff I can't pronounce, titanium oxide, and fragrance. Okay, so I'm excited because I've been following their Instagram page, and it looks like it works really, really good. So I'm excited to do this, and it is 120 grams, so it's not that big. So I did order 2 because I wanted to make sure that I had enough to do my whole head from top to bottom. Okay. Let's see what else. Oh, so I got my hair twisted on Sunday. So this is a fresh retwist. I've been going back and forth with trying to figure out if I want to continue to interlock or just go back to my regular retwist. So what I've decided is that I'm going to interlock my problem areas, which is usually my edges, and then right here at the top of my crown. So those places are interlocked. However, the rest is retwisted. Okay, so that's where I'm at, and I'm just about to go ahead and get started. All right, so I'm back. I've sectioned my hair into 4 sections. I'm going to do this front section first, just so you guys can see how I'm doing this. I would usually start with the back, but for sake of this video, I'm going to start with the front. I am going to add a little mousse after I dampen my hair, just because I always add just a small amount of mousse when I am doing my lock curls. Okay, so the only thing that I'm concerned about with this hair wax and me trying to do the curls at the same time is the hair wax rubbing off on the roller. So I'm not really sure how it's gonna go, but we shall see. So in my water bottle, I have water and oil. Okay, so that's what I'm using to dampen my locks. And I wish I had the one that sprayed instead of squirted. Okay, it just says dampen, so I'm not gonna wet too much because I believe that the hair wax is also gonna wet it some. Okay, and I'm hoping that this little bit of dampness doesn't take away from the freshness of my retwist. But if it does, that's okay. I'm not really a fan of fresh retwist anyway, just because I feel like my hair is usually flat to my head, and I would prefer my locks to have some type of volume, if that makes sense. So I'm not going to use gloves as I put this hair wax on, just because it says that it, you know, it washes off easy. And from the videos that I've watched on their Instagram, I have not seen anyone else using gloves. So I hope that holds true for me, that it washes off easy, because I would be really upset if my nails got messed up right before vacation. So I got some on my nail already. Let's see how it washes off. All right, so it washed right off. No issues. So far, so good. Now, being that I have already done a lock curl video, I'm strictly just showing how I'm putting this hair wax on. I'm not going to show me curling my hair. I'm showing the hair wax, how I put it on, and the end results. That's about it. So this is what it looks like. It smells really good. It has a light smell. So I don't feel too bad about putting this on my hair. I would kind of feel bad if it smelled like a harsh chemical, but it doesn't smell too bad. So let's see. I'm going to start from the bottom like they said. Let me add a little bit of mousse. Making sure you guys can see everything that I am doing. And I honestly wish that I had the type of job where I can just do a permanent blue color and live my best life. But unfortunately, I'm not an entrepreneur yet. That's soon to come. But in the meantime, I don't need anything messing with my coin. So I will try this temporary wax. Okay. So I'm going to do a subsection of my section. And it said to start from the bottom. So that's what I'm doing. As you can see, I'm just simply rubbing it on. All right. Now, when I seen the Instagram page and on their website, it does say that this works best for curly texture hair. But I have seen someone do it on their locks. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to try it. It was literally like maybe $6.99 for each container. So I was like, why not? And I know somebody else was wondering, you know, how it does on locks. So this is a perfect opportunity for me to do a YouTube video. It's been a while since I've done one specifically for my hair. So I will also be vlogging my trip to DR. And yes, I have heard of the recent, you know, everybody's been contacting me like, have you heard of the recent deaths and everything that's going on over there? And I was like, yeah. You know, I definitely heard of it. Going to be as safe as possible, use common sense. But, you know, I'm the type of person that I don't live in fear. So if I let something like that, you know, as unfortunate as it is, if I let something like that deter me from traveling, like I wouldn't go anywhere. And I love to travel. That's my most favorite thing to do. I am gonna make sure that I get my edges because I want this to be blue through and through. So it's looking good. This is what it's looking like. Okay. So I do realize that with my roots that it is gonna affect my twist out a little bit. As you can see right there, it's getting a little fuzzy. But you know what? That's okay, because like I said, I'm not really a fan of fresh twist outs anyway. So this is what it looks like. And I'm gonna rinse my hands a little bit. But it actually didn't take up that much wax to do these first few locks. I'm gonna show you, I still have the whole jar left. So I'm thinking I might actually would have been able to do it with one jar. But I do want to make sure that I get underneath as well. So that's just basically what I'm doing, just going through and making sure I have all of the black covered. But yeah, so far, I love it. This is definitely gonna set, you know, this is gonna set my vacation look all the way off, okay? So I'm just literally gonna roll it now. And I'm hoping that as I roll it, not too much of the wax will come off. That's my hope. But we shall see. All right, y'all, so I have the front done. Okay, I still have to do my back. But so far, so good. I'm liking it. I'm loving the color of it. It's really, really blue. I was thinking that the blue might not be as, what's the word? Not potent, that smell. Might not be as dark or vibrant once I put it on top of the black, but it remained the same blue, so I was happy about that. It did get on the rollers a little bit, but that's cool because it's washing off really well. I've been using my hands the whole time, and I just washed my hands and nothing is on it. So that's really good. So I'm about to finish the back, and I'm going to send it to the dryer for about 2 hours minimum. And I probably will sleep in these rollers just because I got a 6 a.m. flight. So I'm probably only going to get about 3 hours of sleep anyway. So I just want it to be completely dry before I take it out. I do feel like, I don't know how it's going to curl with the wax on it. So the wax isn't heavy, but it's not like air light either, if that makes sense. But it's not weighing my hair down. It's not heavy, so I'm happy about that. Again, I do love the color, but I just don't know how the curls will be with the wax, with the blue wax on it. So stay tuned. Good morning, guys. It's literally like 4 o'clock in the morning. about to head to the airport, but this is the color. It came out so pretty. I love it. I love it. I love it. My curls came out great, so the color didn't affect my curls at all. I love the shade it came out. I will say to be careful when putting on your clothes because it rubbed off on my shirt a little bit. So even though my hair is dry, it still rubs off slightly. But yeah, this is it. Like, I love it. I will definitely be using other colors after this blue. And I'm interested to see how it's going to wash out. So I'll probably do a follow-up video to this one to show you if it went back to my original black. But yeah, that's it. It's gorgeous. I'm officially vacation ready.